Now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. So, we need to figure out what Blue wants with her snack. Blue's clues are a cup, a straw, and a cow. What do you think Blue wants with her snack? Do you think Blue wants to put the cow in a cup and slurp it up with a straw?
No.
Can't really fit a cow in a cup. Well, cows make the sound moo, right? Cows make moo sounds. Cows make milk. Yes! Yes, that's it! Cows make the milk we drink! Yeah, that's the answer to Blue's clues. Blue wants milk poured in a cup, and she wants to drink it with a straw. We just figured out Blue's clues! We just figured out Blue's clues. We just figured out Blue's clues. We just figured out Blue's clues. Because we're really smart. Hey, Blue, I'm gonna pour some milk in a cup with a straw right now, and you can drink it with your snack.